Oppo has launched its new affordable phone under A series in China called Oppo A55 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A55 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate and it has 88.7% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by mediatek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A55 features a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The smartphone comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.9 by 75.7 by 8.4 millimeters and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A55 has been priced in China at 1599 Chinese yuan and it is now up for pre-sale in the country in brisk blue and rhythm black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A55 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to techsole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.